How to fix FaceTime not working on iPhone. You want to open up your settings. Inside of your settings, you want to scroll all the way down and click on apps. From inside apps, you want to navigate towards FaceTime and open up FaceTime. From over here where it says FaceTime, turn this off and turn this on again. Once you do that, it's going to show you this message. Click on turn on FaceTime and it's going to turn your FaceTime on. Now it's going to take a little bit of time, but basically it should work. If it still doesn't work, you can scroll down. Now once you're here, you can see you can be reached by FaceTime at. You can see two things, your email and your number. Make sure both of them are registered. Make sure both of them have a tick mark. If they both have tick mark, then your FaceTime will work. And if your FaceTime is still not working after doing that, just come back to your settings and click on general and click on software update and check for update. If there's any update, click on update and update your phone. Sometimes a lack of update causes the problem as well. So updating it should fix your problem. Hope you understand how to fix this issue. Subscribe to our channel.